Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. It actually arrived yesterday and I tried my hardest to not open it because I wanted to film a video, so here we are. Let's just open it up. I can never rip this off in one go. Never. Oh, it is pink. It honestly doesn't feel very secure. I mean... Oh, coupons! What? Not that I use these. It's the Grace with a Z. A box, I guess? Snack box? So if anyone wants them, here are the codes. And then the other coupon code is for wine52, so £32 wine voucher. Here, if anyone wants to use it. Okay, so this is the box itself. It's baby pink. It feels like it's like a matte feel. It's not a glossy feel. Anyways, do we have a leaflet? Yes! Okay, so the inside says, oh my god. The inside is white on baby pink. You glow differently when you're happy. Okay. Here's the pamphlet or leaflet or whatever. Also baby pink. Again, it smells like recycled paper. And I really like that smell. Here is the box. So let's open it up. Is it good? I don't know, I can't see. I'm not wearing glasses. Oh, wait, we have this one. Didn't we get the exact same blush 3 boxes ago? Wait, I always take pictures of it for my Instagram, so I probably have a picture of this. I mean, not that this is bad, but I don't know about you, but it takes me a while to use up blush. And getting 2 within such a... Yeah, here it is. My god, that's the same thing. December. See the picture? It's the same thing. Now, I don't know if it is the same blush, like the same shade. But definitely it's the same blush. So I will put this back into here because I think that's where it belonged. Okay. So many cool things in here. Okay, so let me start in order. Number 1 is the Pixi Glow Tonic. Now, I've heard a lot of things about this. Pixi Skin Trees Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. I need to smell stuff like this. Oh, it's sealed. I've heard a lot of people talk about this, so I'm very excited. Restore balance to your complexion with this ultra refining glow tonic from Pixi. Powered by glycolic acid to gently buff away dead skin and impurities, the purifying treatment helps to refine the appearance of pores and stimulates cell renewal to create a brighter and clearer canvas. The ingredients are horse chestnut seed extract and witch hazel leaf extract. Use either in the AM or PM or when needed. Super excited about this. Like, I have a toner from Ole Henriksen and I've been using that for like 6 months and it's still not empty. But once that is empty, I will use this one. I'm super excited about this. This was the preview from last month. Then we have these things here. Makeup removers. Oh, I have a lot of these, so I will not open them up. I will probably put them into giveaway. These are by Glove and these are vegan, cruelty-free. Save up to 1,000 cotton pads yearly. Use your water only or your favorite cosmetic enhanced cleansing effect. So this is what they look like. Like I said, I will not open them up. I got like, was it 14 microfiber towels for Christmas a few years ago, so I have stuff like this. But this is very nice to use and it actually works. You know, you probably think, oh my god, just water. Yes, just water. Trust me. I mean, I don't know if it will work with this because this is a shadow stick, like a tacky shadow, but it definitely takes off your regular makeup. Luxuriously soft material that covers the pads, glides across the skin, effortlessly removing makeup, dirt, and grime. You can also be kind to the environment while being kind to your skin, as the pads are washable, so you can continue to use them again and again. Features are soft microfiber surface that gently buffs the skin. Up next, we have this yellow thing here. BB? God, I don't know how you say that. Cloudy Cleanse, a daily gel cleanser. This tube is made from sugarcane. Wow, okay, that's cool. A daily gel cleanser with willow bark extract, a source of natural salicylic acid-like ingredients to remove excess oil and build up. Can I smell this? Yes. Oh, holy moly. Wow, that smells good. It smells like lemony, ginger-ish. Oh, that smells good. Oh, I cannot wait to try that one out. A combination of powerful antimicrobial and antiseptic ingredients including rosemary and cypress help to break down dirt, grime and oil, and smell like a minty forest. A minty forest? That is not mint. That is definitely not mint. Your skin feels jewelry, cleansed and clear but not stripped. Ingredients are salicylic acid and chicory root. Super excited about that one. Oh, with this one. We had this one before. Not too long. Oh no, it's an eye serum. So I appreciate when brands have a rather sleek look, but you know, all of the products look the same, so I got confused there for a second. This is the Balance Me Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum. Now I would assume you put that on before your eye cream. But that also smells like lemon or ginger or something like that. Very, oh my god, it's just leaking everywhere, oh my god. It just continues to come out of the tube here. I don't know what's going on. So let me quickly close this. The Balance Me Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum promotes a radiant, supercharged contour. Equipped with hard-hitting ingredients, the formula seeks to minimize the look of puffiness. Elderberry flower complex energizes and nourishes, helping to rejuvenate the delicate eye area. So ingredients are elderberry flower and yang yang. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. You know, so far this box is not that bad. Very impressed. Oh, I should have read that. What's in your box? Each beauty box contains a selection of these must-have products. Okay, I have 3 more products here. I didn't get the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo, and I didn't get the Paradox Game Changer Hair Mask, and I also didn't get the Philip Kingsley Bond Builder. The thing is, the only top picks are only 4, and I have 3 more products left, so that's a bit frustrating. So, yeah, anyways, this one, Beauty Pro Foot Therapy Collagen Infused Booty. Collagen, sweet almond, and peppermint. Oh, peppermint, oh my god, imagine that on your feet. Holy moly. So it is a foot mask. It is cruelty-free, made in Korea, and dermatologically tested. Tested, oh my god. 20 minutes and you can also travel with this, apparently. Anti-aging and cooling formula, a dual layered booty. Removable toe tip. Oh! Oh! Safe to use with natural nails and gel polish. The removable toe tip, so I don't know if you can see it here in the picture, but you can take the front part off, the toe bit, and then just have it around your foot and ankle. That's so cool. Oh, I need to try that out. Another mask in my huge stash of masks I have to try out, but this is so cool. That is so cool. Oh my god. Yes, I love it. It doesn't really say how to use it. So you have to wash your feet and put it on. Then take the toe part off and then leave. I have no idea. I will figure that out. That is nice. I want to see this one because this is Gay Pride. I love it. Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. Natural skincare, cruelty-free and vegan-friendly, natural world. This is vegan, cruelty-free, 98.58% natural, dermatologically tested, and gluten and wheat-free. What exactly is this? It has sweet almond oil in, coconut oil, and lemongrass essential oil. A multi-use balm. Use as a moisturizer. Rub small amounts of the balm between your fingers and apply to your face and massage until absorbed. Use as a treatment. Apply to any dry or cracked areas as required, such as lips, elbows, and heels. Use as a cleanser. Massage a generous amount throughout your face and gently wipe away with a cotton pad or cloth. Rinse after. You can use this for anything. I love the packaging. I'm kind of tempted to keep it for, the packaging. Oh, the tube looks like that as well. Yes! Oh, that smells really good. Because, dry. Oh, man, it smells like some candy. It smells like, for all the Germans out there, nimm zwei, the lemon ones. I'll probably use this for my legs and for my hands from time to time. I'm not a big hand cream fan, but sometimes I need it, so that's nice. Then last but not least, the thing that we had before, the blush by Lottie London. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's the same color as well. I don't know. I will check and then I will write it here whether it's the same or not. But it is gorgeous, and I tried the other one out and that is so pigmented. Like, you have to go in very lightly to not look like a clown. I'm super excited for all of this, to be honest. I mean, granted, I will not use these, but the rest is nice. And it's all very lemon orientated, so if you're not into that, it might not be for you. But in case you want a beauty box, I have a coupon code, so you can use that if you want to. If not, that's fine. It's always linked in the info box below. And, oh yeah, oh my god, this! I actually want to continue with the Empties, like the user products, but you have this here. Okay, so I'm kind of disappointed that basically make a mystery box and then only write down 4 things. Self-love February. How we're using our beauty products. Okay, and then fix what it is and how can I use them. Cupid approved routine. This 5-step cleansing routine has stolen our hearts and minds. Okay. Love yourself. That's the theme for the box. The alphabet according to beauty box. B is for beauty, L is for love, M is for memories, F is for female, and E is for empower. The Valentine's Day book club, which is not really my thing. Like, I don't really like romance books. Like, seriously. And then what's coming is the Sasha Juan. God, I totally butchered that. Volume Styling Cream. And next month's box. So, let me get the empties, and then we'll continue. I have a lot of empties this time, but I will only do 4. So, this is the easiest one. I got this. What do you call these? Scrunchies. Last year. This is absolutely used. The elastic is not holding up my hair anymore. I really like these. These are very soft and gentle on the hair. I have one that I'm currently using. This is just like, this goes around your hair 3 times, which is good for my hair. This only goes around 2 times, so it's not holding up the hair. But anyways, I have another one left, and I really enjoy this. I think these are from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, but I'm not really sure, but I really like this. I mean, obviously with hair ties, the more you use them, the more they stretch out. So this, I got in last month's box, I think, and I was super excited about it because it smells so good. It's the Bubble Tea Lavender Tea Body Wash. And it does smell good, but I hate the product. It's like a gel texture. It's not even like a shower gel texture, but like actually jelly on your body. Did not like it. Also, it didn't foam up. I just did not like this thing. What I did like though, this is the second one I used out of these. The By Terry Baume de Rose Lip Balm with rose scent. So good. Smells so good. Makes your lips so soft. Makes them shiny. I love it. If it wasn't so expensive and if it was actually cruelty-free, I will purchase this. This is an amazing product. Seriously, I'm always super excited when we get this in the LookFantastic box because it's amazing. This, I wrote on Instagram that I need like 5,000 bottles of this because this is absolutely amazing. This is the Ahava That's Seawater Mineral Conditioner. It smells, first of all, it smells like a effing dream. It smells like summer, if that makes sense. Like, it actually, oh god, nice. It smells like summer, maybe a bit of a like a sunscreen scent to it. I don't know what it is, but it smells really amazing. And it makes your hair so soft and so shiny, easy to come through. Of course, my hair looks like a mess today, but you know, I will love using this. And like I said, I need like 2,000 bottles of this because the way this worked on my hair. The hand cream by Bloom and Blossom. Age-defying hand cream. Can you believe I used this up? I actually, you know, whenever I watch something on my computer, I put this on, you know, like put it on my hands, rub it in, and then just stay there. I liked it. Can you believe that? I don't like hand cream, but I really enjoyed this. It's insane, isn't it? So, I will not purchase it though, because I don't like hand creams, like I said, but it was nice, and I used it up all the way. Should I give you one more? This Star Skin 7-second thing, I have a video on that, I will link it here. It was okay, but like, you know, like I didn't really see a difference, because I only used it once. If I had more of these, I probably would have seen a difference, but it made my skin soft. It was easy to use, you know, 7 seconds, literally. The only thing that I had a problem with is that you have to, oh yeah, flip over and pat in the remaining serum. My face was wet. Okay, so I had to stop doing that and then pat it in with my hands and just let it dry because it was too much. But it's nice to use, especially for people who are in a rush and who cannot lay down and have a mask on your face for like 20 minutes. Me, hello. So yeah, it's easy to use. It is a 7-in-1, like a massage, exfoliator, toner, serum, moisturizer, mask, and makeup primer. My face actually looked very radiant, if that makes sense, and moisturized. So if I get it in a box again, I will totally use it. So that was it. That was everything that was in the box. Those were 6 items that I used up. That's a lot actually for me. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel already. Oh, let me know if you have any of these products. Now I know that a lot of people probably have this one, so let me know how it works. This is so cool. I love this packaging. Like, seriously. Yeah, so let me know if you have any of these. And yeah, if you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel already, and I'll see you next one.